guys! Gonna check my garden. Okay. I hope you like this video. My garden is different now. My garden is different now. Check this out, guys. You gonna. That's my garden. Big Bone Blossom. That's me. Hell yeah, guys! Hell yeah! You know, guys. Sorry, guys. Eee! Let him cook. Let him cook, bro. Let him cook. Bro. Oh, hell nah. I hate this now. Give me something good. Dude might about I buy carrot. Yay. Oh. Let's open the eggs. I have frostbite and wish me luck! Please, sir. Please. Please. Hey. Hell nah. What happened? Hell nah. I have 1 trillion money. Englishing? What? Englishing. Favorite tool, guys. And glitching, I don't know why. Get out to my way. Done. Hell na, bro. Hell na. Bro, my friend join. Don't I mind adapt that. Yes. Okay. Bro! I'm lagging because of share. Glitching? Hell na! Bro! Done? Don't mind about that. That's my brother. Bro! Why I can't get that? I'm gonna give to you guys. Comment. Join me. Bro, hell na, bro. Nice one. Let's favorite all. Oh, hell na. That's my brother. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Sorry, guys. Don't mind about here. Favorite tool, guys. What? Nice. Sorry, guys. I can I can do Tagalog now cause you don't understand me. I'm Tagalog. I'm in Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Wait, guys, I post this. Done, guys, done. Don't mind about that. That's my little brothers. Don't know see. Okay. I'm not gonna try. I'm back, guys. Oh, hell na, bro. Hell na. You want to check out my seeds? Okay. I have watermelon, cactus seed, bamboo seed, mango, moon mango, coconut, little seed. I don't know how to say that. Tapos seed, wicked seed, grape seed, ember lily seed, butterfly from seed, durian, mushroom seed, rosy delight seed, decoration seed. I don't know how to say that too. Peach seed. Huh. I have sugar apple. Guys, can be stuck to made about that. Sorry guys, we got distracted. The burning blood seed. Oh, I forgot this. I not get this. I don't know how to get it.